Today, I'm breaking down 5 AI tools that are changing the game for content creators and entrepreneurs. And believe me, you want to stick around until the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you the best and most unlimited AI image and video generators available right now.
These AI tools are so powerful. They honestly feel illegal to know. Number 3 literally replaces a full video production team. And number 5 can make you money while you sleep. If you're not using AI in 2026, you're already behind.
Wow.
But don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 insane AI tools that can save you time, make you money, and give you an unfair advantage. Tool number 1, Midjourney. This tool can turn simple text into cinematic 4K level images in seconds. People are using this to create thumbnails, sell digital art, even build entire brands. And the crazy part? You don't need design skills. Tool number 2, Runway ML. This one is next level, Runway ML. It can generate videos from text. You can create YouTube videos, ads, cinematic scenes without a camera. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. This tool is scary good. ElevenLabs create ultra-realistic voices that sound human. Use cases: narration for YouTube, audiobooks, voice cloning. Most people won't even know it's AI. Tool number 4, ChatGPT. You've probably heard of this, but most people use it wrong. Better prompt example. Write a viral YouTube script with high retention, curiosity hooks, and emotional storytelling about AI tools. You can use it to write scripts, generate ideas, automate workflows. This is basically your personal content team. Tool number 5, Pictory. This is where things get crazy. Pictory turns text into full videos automatically. How it works? Paste script, AI adds visuals, AI adds subtitles, done. People are using this to run faceless YouTube channels, making passive income. So yeah, these tools might not be illegal, but they definitely feel like it. If you want to stay ahead, start using at least one of these today. Subscribe for more AI secrets and comment AI if you want a full step-by-step guide on making money with these tools.